you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Talia and I am here with a new video. And in today's video I will be trying Dollar Tree's curly hair products. So yes, you heard me right, they have this new line called PS Clean Beauty. So I'm just gonna show you right here the products. I have everything. I just went and got everything. So pretty much I got the ultra hydrating, I don't know if you guys can see it there, right there. I also got the conditioner, as you can see. I also got a leave-in conditioner. And I am really excited to try this hair mask. Like, what? Hair mask? So yes, I am going to be doing my hair. If you watch my other videos, you know my hair is very, like, my curls are big. So I'm very excited to try this out and to style my hair, you know, because you need to style your curls. I'm just going to be using, which I also got from the dollar store, this Heyy Solutions. It's like a curl cream. So I don't know if you can see it. I'm just going to be using this product right here, since the PS Clean Beauty products, they don't have, like, well, I didn't see, I don't know if they have any like products for, like, I mean, it's a curly hair product, but I don't think they have any curl products for me to style my hair. So I'm just going to be using this one, and to hold it a little bit I will be using this gel, which is from the Dollar Tree as well. I got it at the dollar store. So everything here, everything is from the dollar store. So I just want to see how my hair is going to react. So I don't know, like, I'm just going to see. Like, let me just show you my hair right now. If you have curly hair, you will understand why I got my hair like this, because, you know, your curls can be popping for like 3-5 days, and then there's a point where it's like, okay, yeah, I need to put my hair up because it's not doing what it was supposed to be doing, you know. So as you can see, this is my hair. Oh my gosh. Look, you see, this is crazy. See, people don't believe me when I say my hair be looking crazy. Like, this probably gonna be a transformation video instead of me, like, yeah, this is just like a full transformation. Bring the makeup, bring the whole outfit, everything, like, because what, look at this. So I'm going to see you guys in a few. I'm gonna be washing my hair and we're just gonna see the results of this video. Surprised by how my hair feels so far using these products, especially this hair mask. I'm not going to lie, I was kind of skeptical because I'm like, I don't know. This was only $1.25. Like all of the products, you know, if you go to the dollar store, you know, it's $1.25. So in my mind, I'm like, what a $1.25 product is going to, how my hair is gonna react to it. But I'm just going to say it's pretty good. I mean, so far, you know, I don't know how my hair is going to feel after. I mean, everything the shampoo, like super hydrating. Like I like the way the shampoo felt on my hair, and the conditioner as well. Like I seen my curls come out. Like I was like, is this a conditioner or like a curl cream? Because you know, it's not, well, you know, it's not like the other conditioners where your hair feels like butter. It wasn't like that, but I could see the definition on my curls, definitely. And the hair mask, like it doesn't feel dry, and like I don't know, it's like my hair absorbed the hair mask like right away. I didn't feel no residue or like product like on my hand when I was working the hair mask on my hair. My hair feels soft. So right now I have the hair mask on, and it says to leave it on for from 15 to 30 minutes. I put an alarm for 15 minutes, but knowing me, I probably do it for the whole 30 minutes. So far I'm loving it. I like it. Like I'm just not gonna say too much. I don't want to jinx the experience, but so far, you know, so far so good. If you want to see the end results of how my hair comes out, please continue to watch this video. Please hit like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys when I have my hair all out. So I am done washing my hair, styling my hair. So this is like it's not the end result, but this is just like how my hair looks now that it's wet. It's, you know, it's not dry all the way. So if you can see the curls now, how they are. Let me show you the back. So I'm just going to wait and let my hair air dry, and we're going to see how my hair comes out. I don't even want to touch it, so I don't want to make any freeze, because I know every time I touch my hair then it becomes real frizzy. But I don't know what you guys think. I'm liking it so far. So yeah, I'll see you guys when my hair is fully dry. You see this? Ah, look at the curls. Just what do you guys think? Okay, you guys, I'm done with my hair, and this is the final result. Okay, my hair is fully dry. So this is like the front, and I'm gonna give you a side view of the curls. You know, I'm gonna give you a back view of the curls, if you can see them, how juicy my curls look. So yes, if you would like to try these products, just know they are in Dollar Tree. They are only $1.25, and I am really surprised that this is the end result. Like, what? I would have never done that this product will help my hair, you know, this much. Because if you've been watching this video since the beginning, you saw how my hair was. So this was like a fully like transformation, you know. What do you guys think? Like, please let me know, what do you think about the hair? What do you see? What do you think? Would you try it on yourself or any family members? Would you recommend it to somebody else? If you watch this video, will I recommend it? I will say yes. I mean, it worked for me. Just know that other products, this product might not work for you, but it's not a bad thing to give it a try. It's only $1.25, so that's a pretty reasonable, I think that's like more than reasonable price for you to, you know, get your hair like this. Especially it's the summer. It's about to be summer. It's about to be hot outside, and you want your hair to look, you know, fabulous when you go out. So if you're in a budget right now, especially if you're a mom, you're in a budget, even if like college student or whatever, like, you know, you cannot be spending money out here, go to Dollar Tree, get your hair products and get your hair done. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, I'm just gonna stop the video right here, and I'm just gonna say thank you so much for taking your time out of your day to watch this video. I know you didn't have to stop and watch it, but I'm just say thank you. And if you like this video and you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with a friend. And if you want to see me try any other products to see if it will work on my hair, please let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.